Okay, guys. It's kind of a windy day. Oh, okay. Hi, Oreo. Hello, everyone. Eggs. Yeah, it's kind of a windy day out today. Nope, I'll see it. Oh, there's an egg. There we go. Anyone else? TV chickens, it's time for you to get out. Come on, chickens. It'll be much easier if you guys get out. Push them out. Come on, chickens. Everybody outside. Oh, okay. I guess I want to go outside. But you're not feeling it today. Watch out, guys. Like I said, it was much easier if you guys weren't in here. No duck eggs today. Oh, yep, I was wrong. Right here. Perfect. I need one too to do the experiment. The other one's kind of too old. This past 10 days. Oh, there goes the door. We had a very windy day out today. Chickens probably won't be done outside. And we're getting snow showers too. Hi, Goldie. Gold chicken. Ducks are more than happy to be outside. These ducks. That's how they are. They get their fresh warm water too. It's like their warm coffee. So yeah. It's definitely colder than it was last week. This time last week it was like almost 80 degrees. Now it's like 32. So what a week to do. Welcome to bipolar weather in Pittsburgh. These chickens are out today. So I'm going to give them their nice warm water, and I will see you guys again later tonight. Okay, guys, look at this. They're pretty smart. They all went inside. Oh, I see an egg under the coop. How did that get there? Anything else hiding underneath the coop? Oh, it froze. I don't see anything else. So we got a frozen egg. Let's see. It's a bummer. Put that there. I'm gonna just kind of froze. Okay. What if I eat that tomorrow? Get some food. Let's give him some more food tomorrow morning. Hi, ducks. Hey guys. Oh, kind of blurry. So you guys, hope you guys enjoyed today's chicken duck update. And I'll see you guys again tomorrow. Thank you guys for watching.